Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of Kajabi and Circle, two massive platforms used by creators, coaches, online educators, and community builders. If you're planning to build a course, launch a membership, host a community, or run a digital business, this is the breakdown that you need before choosing a platform. I'll cover an extended overview, main features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and we'll end with a balanced conclusion on which is best in 2025. Let's get started. Let's begin with a big overview of Kajabi. Kajabi is designed to be an all-in-one platform, and its goal is simple: to give creators everything they need to create. It also gives them everything they need to market, to sell, and deliver digital products, all from one dashboard. That includes courses, coaching programs, memberships, landing pages, email marketing, automations, funnels, analytics, websites, and even payments. If you want to avoid juggling 5 or 6 tools and instead manage everything in one system, Kajabi is built for you. It's especially strong for creators who rely heavily on marketing funnels, email sequences, and digital product sales. Circle, on the other hand, starts from the opposite direction. Circle is fundamentally a community-first platform. Its mission is to help creators build engaged communities, host discussions, run events, deliver courses, create a highly interactive member experience as well. Circle puts engagement at the core. Things like spaces, channels, live rooms, community events, member directories, and activity features. You can build courses in Circle, you can monetize memberships, and you can even send emails as well. But Circle's heartbeat is community engagement, not funnel building. Now let us talk about the main features of these platforms. We start with Kajabi. It has a full course builder with modules, lessons, quizzes, assessments, and drip content. It also has membership sites and subscription products. There are coaching product templates and digital downloads. And it has a complete website builder with customizable landing pages. It has ready-made marketing funnels and pipelines. It has built-in email marketing with automations. And there are native payment and affiliate program supports. There's also analytics for sales in there. There's analytics for subscribers and engagements. And there are AI tools for content generation and business workflows. And of course, Kajabi's biggest strength is that everything is tied together into one seamless system. Now let's head on to Circle. Circle has community spaces for discussions. It has Q&A, announcements, and groups. It has channels, subgroups, and a clean community layout. There are also native events, live streaming, and live rooms. There are as well courses that integrate directly with the community. There's workflows and automation options for community actions. There are also monetization tools like paid memberships, one-time fees, bundles, and so on. There's also the email tool for community-wide and segment-based messaging. And of course, there's a member directory, there are profiles and engagement scoring on Circle. And nicely included is the option for branded mobile apps. Of course, you have this on higher plans. Circle's strength is the quality of the community experience. It's based on community. Everything is optimized to keep members connected and active. So what about the pricing of these two platforms? For Kajabi, there's a Kickstarter plan at $71 per month, a basic plan at $143 per month, a growth plan at $199 per month, and a pro plan at $399 per month. Now these prices come when you pay annually. If you decide to pay monthly, it jumps up. And the pricing for Circle? There's a professional plan at $89 per month, a business plan at $199 per month, an enterprise plan at $419 per month, and a custom pricing for the plan that includes the branded app, which is the Done For You plan. Now, it's interesting to know that these plans come with a free 2-week trial, so you get to test the product for free without paying until you commit to payment. What are the pros and cons of these platforms? We start with the pros. For Kajabi, it's an all-in-one platform that replaces multiple tools, and it has strong marketing features like funnels, emails, and automation. It's great for selling courses and subscriptions, and Kajabi itself doesn't have transaction fees. You can also use it to design professional landing pages and templates. And the pros of Circle? It has best-in-class community tools for spaces, for discussions, and events. and it's perfect for creators who prioritize engagement and connection, like a community thing. The plans allow unlimited members to join, and the courses and the communities blend seamlessly. It has strong branding as well. And the cons of using Kajabi? It can get expensive as your audience grows, and some users may feel overwhelmed with the number of tools that are inside Kajabi. The community features are not as robust as the ones on Circle. And the cons of using Circle? Well, it is not a full replacement for complex funnels or advanced email marketing, such like you have on Kajabi. And the add-ons like the branded apps or the email hubs can increase your total cost. If you want to be running full marketing campaigns, then you are going to need external tools. Circle cannot be used to run full marketing campaigns. So having considered all this, which one is best in 2025? Well, it depends heavily on what you're doing. If your business depends heavily on funnels, marketing automation, selling digital products, and delivering structured courses, then I'll say Kajabi is a better choice because it gives you everything in one place. It reduces the tech headaches and it offers all the tools that you need to run a full online education business. So the focus is on selling and delivering. But if your business revolves around community, live interaction, events, feedback loops, conversations, and member engagement, then Circle clearly comes out on the top because it offers a more modern, more engaging, and deeper community experience than anything that Kajabi currently provides. The focus of Circle is on connection and retention. And that's it on the review of Kajabi and Circle. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Teachable, Podia, and Mighty Networks. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.